Hi there, I'm Dr. Anthony Pavlich with Airrosti, and today we're at my second home, Armadillo Boulders in San Antonio, Texas, and we're going to go through some exercises that I use to warm up for rock climbing. Let's get started. When it comes to climbing, we want to make sure our shoulders are ready to go, so we don't injure any of our rotator cuff muscles or any of our muscles that help support the shoulder. So in order to do that, we want to make sure that we're warming up through a full range of motion, all of the muscles in and around our shoulder, especially our rotator cuff muscles, as those are what are going to help us as we climb up the wall. But we don't want to forget about the lower body. Hip mobility and strength is very important, especially as we talk about the more technical climbs that involve getting the hips and lower body into positions that help to support the lower body as you're reaching for a more aggressive climb. So let's go into warming up our upper body first. Our first exercise we're going to do is foam rolling for your thoracic or mid-back spine. So you roll from the bottom of your ribs just to the top of your shoulders here. The goal of this exercise is to help loosen up the mid-back, make sure it's mobile, ready to climb, so that our shoulder blades are able to move on our ribs well. For this next exercise, you're going to need a resistance band. You're going to place the resistance band right around your wrists, hands shoulder width apart, and you're going to be on all fours. Next, you're going to do the directions of a clock. Imagine you're reaching for a climbing hold. You're going to do a half clock with one arm and a half clock with the other. This exercise helps to activate the rotator cuff muscles, which are going to be super important as you begin to climb. Our final upper body exercise is going to be a dead hang. You can use any implement you want. For this demonstration, I'll be using a hang board. This one is a simple exercise. You're just going to reach up, grasp the board, and hang. The goal is to be able to hang for a minute. This activates all the muscles in your shoulder and upper body that you're going to be using while climbing. So it's a great warm-up to make sure all the muscles are awake and active and ready to climb. So now let's warm up the lower body. For our first lower body exercise, we want to do a 90-90 hip stretch. To do this exercise, you want your front leg at 90 degrees, back leg at 90 degrees, and then your upper body up tall over your pelvis. This is a great hip mobility stretch, and you should feel this stretch in through that back hip and front hip. You want to hold this stretch for 90 seconds, relax, and then repeat on the other side. For our next exercise, we're going to do a deep squat stretch. So you're going to get into a deep squat, as deep as you can. You're going to use your elbows to push your knees out. You should feel this stretch in through the inner thigh there. And you want to make sure your upper body stays up tall as you do this. Hold this stretch for about 60 seconds, relax, and then repeat one more time. For our final lower body exercise, we're going to do a banded squat. So you'll need a band, place it right above the knees, and then we're going to get into a deep squat and then explode back up. This helps activate our lower body muscles so that we're able to push up and climb to the top of the wall, but it's also great for those dynos. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's any other sports or activities that you want to see Airrosti do some warm-up videos on, don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.